let's take a look at how you can use the macro in order to import information. So let's expand file object and let's double click on get data table macro command. As you can see, the parameters here are very similar to those in export data table macro. So we have 4 types of import: from an Excel, from an XML, from a CSV and TXT files. And the next parameter is file path and name here as well. Now let's get data from this file, which was previously exported into Excel. So in this parameter, we should specify location and name of this file. This is C drive test, and we need extension as well, XLSX. And if we run by using F8 key here and the table 1, we can see this list of banks which was previously exported in this Excel file. And this location, we have XML file as well. So if we specify 1 here, XML here, and run by using F8 key, we will see this list of banks again, because there was the same information in this XML file, and we will get the same result if we use CSV extension. And pay attention that if there is no file in the specified location, or if there is an error occurred while reading a file, in this case, here in the interface object, we have show error macro command. So if we specify, for example, incorrect file name here and run by using F8 key, we will see this message which tells us that there is an import error and this file could not be found in the specified location. So we need to correct file path and name parameter here. Also, we can import a file in a different way. For example, let's get back to Excel file again. And I've already prepared another type of file. This is an absolutely unstructured file where information is given like a report. We don't have here the field names followed by data as it was in the list of banks, where we have field names in the first row, and then we have data in the following records. But we can read this type of file as well. So let's copy paste the name of this file. and import it. Let's run by using F8 key. And as you can see, in the table 1, we get information like this, because here in this Excel file, in the first row, we have only account statement, but in this imported table, in the header area, we have account statement and then column numbers, which was identified as a column name, and information which was in this Excel file passed into the corresponding column like this. So as you can see, we're able to read and analyze Excel files of any structure. Now let's look at the second type of import. So instead of get data table, let's use get dataset macro command. It has the same structure. We have import type and file path and name parameters here as well. Now let's get this dataset which was previously exported into Excel. So we should specify this file path and name in this parameter. C drive test dataset and extension XLSX, and if we run it by using F8 key here, and the dataset 1, we'll see all of those tables which are these Excel spreadsheets. We can read and analyze dataset imported from XML file. There are the same tables in this dataset, and the dataset from CSV file contains those tables as well. We can also use this get dataset macro command in order to import a dataset which contains unstructured information. So I've already prepared this dataset Excel file where we have these two unstructured spreadsheets. Now let's copy paste file name and import it. This is Excel file XLSX extension. So if we run, we will see this dataset here. This is the first spreadsheet, and this is the second one. So in this way, you can get several spreadsheets simultaneously, read and analyze them as well.